Edday Ndeto has now responded to ongoing claims iria ikoretwo igitherema muno nenda-ini thutha wa a certain video of Samidoh, an interview done by Samidoh hau gatene gukorwo ikiresurface, an interview whereby Samidoh seems to be admitting that kwi hindi imwe Edday Ndeto anakorwo akimutiga na guthii kwi mundurume ungi, no Samidoh niacokire akimuohera na magicokanwo, na video ino ni ikoretwo igitrend muno online. Na in the said video kana interview ino ya Samidoh niaronekana gukorwo akiaririria moritu make, his true life story, kuria ona arauga nyimbo imwe ciake andikite ni true story ciake na ni maundu ke agereire, na niho aumbũrĩte ati rimwe kwi hindi Edday Ndeto anakorwo akimutiga na guthii kwi mundurume ungi, na thutha ucio magicoka agucokanwo na he forgive her, na magikorwo agucokanwo na guthondeka mucii wao, na Samidoh akauga he has even mentioned this in one of his songs. Na thutha wa video ino gukorwo ikiresurface, arumiriri aingi muno ni meyumiritie na gukorwo magiukirira Edday Ndeto, na oho kwenda muno akorwo agitheria ndeto ici kana nima. Uguo Samidoh aronekana gukorwo akiuga ati she had once stepped out on him na guthii kwi mundurume ungi, na Samidoh agicoka kumuohera makienda akimere nikiki atangiohera Samidoh for cheating. Na Edday Ndeto nima niarakorirwo akiyumiria na gukorwo akirespond to that story, to the ongoing claims, and also responding to that video na interview iyo ya Samidoh. Na Edday Ndeto araumira athekete muno na akuga ati akiuria, is there a man who can stay with a woman after cheating? Edday Ndeto akiuria kana kwi mundurume ungiitikira ona hanini gukorwo agiikara na mutumia wake kana mwendwa wake akimenyaga she has cheated on him. Edday Ndeto akiuga that is not possible. No man can never agree to stay with a cheating woman. Na koguo ndeto ici irakorwo igitambio nenda-ini ati she cheated on Samidoh ti ciama ona hanini. Edday has rubbished off these claims na kuga there is no single man who would allow for his woman to cheat and then come back to him ati he forgive her. Asha, Edday Ndeto akiuga ici ni ndeto cia maheni na it is not true at all. Now the video of course resurfaced after Edday took to her social media pages na gukorwo akiandikira Samidoh ndumiriri nditu muno kuria arakionania ta atiganite na Samidoh na kumutigira Karen nyamu, and that is when the video resurfaced na igakorwo idereti nene muno. Mafans makiuga angikorwo Edday anagikorwo agicheat on Samidoh and Samidoh forgive her, ona akenya agibatie gukorwo akireconsider. No Edday has come out na kuga that is not true at all, tondo there is no man who would willingly stay with his woman akimenyaga she once cheated on him. There's no man who can forgive a cheating woman. Edday rubbishing off these claims ati she cheated on Samidoh. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.